This is the second video of lesson number 3, class 7, fiber to fabric. In the last video of this chapter, we discussed about how wool is obtained from sheep or other animals. So here we are going to discuss about the silk fibers. Silk fiber is an animal fiber. It is obtained from silkworms. And we have a definition here, that is sericulture, rearing of silkworms for obtaining silk. So what is sericulture? जो हम silkworms को rear करते हैं, उनको पालते हैं for obtaining silk, that is called as sericulture. Now see, this is the life cycle of silk moth. Female silk moth, it lays eggs. When the eggs hatch, they become larvae. Larvae also called as caterpillars or silkworms. Now these larvae, they feed on mulberry leaves for about 25 to 30 days. After this, this caterpillar, it weaves a net to hold itself. ये अपने इर्द-गिर्द एक net बनाता है to hold itself, and the caterpillar secretes fiber made of protein. तो धीरे धीरे एक fiber secrete होने लगता है caterpillar के around, which is made of protein. And on exposure to air, that फाइबर हार्डन्स, वो फाइबर जो है जो उसने कैटरपिलर ने सिक्रीट किया है वो हार्ड हो जाता है जैसे वो एयर को एक्सपोज होता है, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड एज सिल्क फाइबर. सो ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड कैटरपिलर चेंजेस इनटू प्यूपा एंड कवरिंग इज कॉल्ड कोक्यून. जो कैटरपिलर है वो धीरे धीरे करके प्यूपा में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, और जो कवरिंग है, जो फाइबर की कवरिंग है उसके अराउंड, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज कोकून. राइट. सो हियर द प्यूपा, ये एक छोटा सा एक सॉर्ट ऑफ डायग्रामेटिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन है जिसमें ये अंदर प्यूपा दिखाया है और बाहर की कवरिंग है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज कोकून. सो फ्रॉम हेयर वी गेट द सिल्क फाइबर. सिल्क फाइबर इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम कोकून. यहाँ से हमें, इस कोकून से हमें क्या मिलता है? सिल्क फाइबर. एंड द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ प्यूपा इनटू मॉथ इनसाइड द कोकून टेक्स प्लेस, एंड सो अगेन अ सिल्क मॉथ इज फॉर्म्ड. तो फर्दर डेवलपमेंट है प्यूपा की, वो किस में होती है? मॉथ में, सिल्क मॉथ में. और जो कोकून है उससे हमें क्या मिलेगा? वी विल गेट द सिल्क फाइबर. राइट. सो सिंपल है. फीमेल सिल्क मॉथ, इट विल ले eggs hatch to form the larvae. Larvae are also called as caterpillar or silkworms. Caterpillar weaves a net to hold itself, then it secretes a fiber which is made of protein. On exposure to air, the fiber becomes silk fiber. Caterpillar in the meantime changes into pupa, and the covering is called cocoon. Cocoon में pupa है. Pupa will develop into moth and silk moth, and the cocoon we will obtain silk fiber from it. Right. Now we have certain points that we should remember. Varieties of silk: tussar, muga, and kosa. These are all varieties of silk. Most common silk moth is mulberry silk moth. Silk fibers are made of a protein. You should remember this, कि silk fibers basically protein से बने हैं. Silk fibers from cocoons are separated out and reeled into the silk threads. Right? So this is called as reeling the silk. जो हम silk fibers cocoon से लेते हैं उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? That process is called reeling the silk. So here we have silk fibers. उनसे हम क्या बनाते हैं? Silk threads. And silk threads से हम क्या बनाएंगे? Silk cloth. Right? And here is an added information that from one cocoon, a single thread of continuous raw silk of about 300 to 900 meters, which is equal to 1000 to 3000 feet, can be obtained. Right? So this is all about the life cycle of the female silk moth. Thank you.